Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best soldering kit from Weller, the WE1010NA digital soldering station. If you're serious about electronics and DIY projects, having a reliable soldering station is essential. The Weller WE1010NA has been making waves in the soldering community for its precision, power, and user-friendly features. Let's start with power. It boasts 70 watts of power, which is 40% more than its predecessors, ensuring quicker heat-up times and efficient soldering. The ergonomic design of the soldering iron with a heat-resistant silicone cable ensures safe handling, which is crucial for those long soldering sessions. Temperature stability is crucial in soldering to protect delicate components. The WE1010NA offers impressive temperature control with a variance of just +4 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent and reliable soldering results every time. Navigating through settings is a breeze with its intuitive controls. Plus, features like standby mode and auto setback not only conserve energy but also extend the life of your soldering tips. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the WE1010 station itself, the WEP70 soldering iron, tip retainer, safety rest with sponge, and an ETA tip. It's a comprehensive package designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced soldering enthusiasts alike. Users across the board rave about its reliability and ease of use. Whether you're soldering circuit boards, wires, or working on intricate projects, the WE1010NA delivers consistent performance. Compared to other soldering stations in its class, the Weller WE1010NA stands out for its blend of power, precision, and thoughtful features, all at a competitive price point. So, if you're looking to upgrade your soldering setup or dive into electronics projects with confidence, the Weller WE1010NA digital soldering station deserves serious consideration. It's more than just a tool, it's a companion for your creative and technical pursuits. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy soldering!